up, guys? Your boy Pablo here again with another hair tutorial. This video is going to be about me promoting a product called LUS Brand. It's a 3-step product. First step is the shampoo, which I'm going to use. Second step is the conditioner. And the third step is the all-in-one repair hydrate. This is what my hair looks like right now. I have nothing in it. It's dry. I'm gonna take a shower, wash, condition, and do step 3. So there's 3 steps to this process, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after. All right, guys, I'm back. Pablo back with my video again, ready for stage 3. Love your curls, baby. You have to love your curls. So I'm about to start putting this curl stuff in my hair. First, let me brush it a little bit. Brush it for y'all right quick, you dig? Just do a little bit of brushing it. This stuff works real good, man. Stuff works really good. And it smells good too. It smells real good. See, I don't know how to do the section thing. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just comb my hair and I'm gonna just put the stuff in there. This is step 3. This is step 3. Step 3, product, LUS Brand. Put a little bit in my hand. Some of my hair is shedding a little bit, you know. I leave my DNA everywhere I go. So you can't say I wasn't there. My hair sheds like a motherfucker. So put a little bit in there. Take this little part and just get it in there. This stuff is kind of thick. This stuff is really thick, some thick stuff. But it smells good. I like the way it smells, I'm not gonna lie, I like the way it smells. My hair is shedding. My hair is shedding, so it's cool. It's all good. Put this stuff in my hair. I actually washed and conditioned my beard with this stuff too. You know what I'm saying? I know I'm probably gonna get criticized for this video, but you know, right now I don't really care. I make my own videos. I'm doing what I want to do. I'll take advice. I'll take some advice from you peoples, from some peoples. My hair is shedding like crazy, man. I need some more. Put a little bit more in that bit. Get the crown of it. Yeah, this stuff really gets the curls going. This stuff really gets the curls going. And after this, I'm gonna take a t-shirt and I'm gonna, you know, dry it out. Dry this stuff out a little bit. Cause that's what you're supposed to dry. That's what I'm supposed to dry my hair with, a t-shirt. Cause if not, you just kind of, you know, the fabric and the towels and the stuff don't work good with your hair. But we're gonna make this work. This is gonna work. Maybe I should put a little bit more. Put a little bit more. One more round ain't gonna hurt. Somebody was trying to explain to me how to do it, but you know me, I do it how I want to do it. I feel like I got it in there good. All in there. I might even put some in my beard. Look, put some in my beard just because, you know, that's hair too. Put some in the beard. Like I can straight through, fingers straight through, fingers straight through. You dig? You hear me? You know what I'm saying? You know, brush it a little bit more. No, I ain't gonna brush it because, you know, it's supposed to get curly. I'm gonna use this t-shirt to, you know, dry it off or dry it a little bit to, you know, hair's a little wet. Then I'm gonna put my hair in a bun at the end of this. So y'all can see, you know, the product that I use is called LUS Brand. Go ahead and brush my hair in the front for y'all. Show y'all how easy it is to do a man bun. This one's gonna be wet. It's gonna be a wet man bun, but it's gonna still look beautiful because I use the LUS brand, and that LUS brand smells so good. But if y'all wanna see it, it's curly, the curls. See how the curls, my curls. I was about to put it in the bun, but I want y'all to see the curls. The curl activators. Activate curls. Curls activate. Y'all see that shit? Beautiful hair, huh? Beautiful. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. I love it. This stuff is really good. It's called LUS Brand. Y'all need to get some of this. Look at my curls. They are popping. Popping. Curls is just popping. I was gonna do a bun, but shit, what I need to do a bun for when my curls look like this? Shit. Moisturizer all day. Keep your hair moisturized all day. Might just even go ahead and part my hair right quick. I'm not good at parting. I'll learn eventually. But, you know, this is a small little comb too, going right through my hair. But this is the LUS brand, y'all. This is what it is about right here. This is what the curls, you know. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, whatever it is, you know. I look good. I look good. And this right here is the finished product. This is what your curls are supposed to look like when you're using this LUS brand. This is some good stuff right here. Filling my curls. This will make my shit last curly all day long. You know, get you some of that LUS brand. Some good stuff. Yep, it's me again. Like, comment, share. It's your boy Pablo, back at it again with another hair tutorial. Didn't do a man bun this time, but I was showing y'all my luxurious curls. Thank y'all, appreciate y'all for watching.